Good morning, Mrs. Yofi. How are you feeling?
I feel dizzy with life, very dizzy and cold.
Mrs. Yofi, listen to me. I need you to stay awake. Stay awake.
I'm so sleepy.
No, Mrs. Yofi, look at me. Open your eyes. Stay awake. It is very important.
Okay, I will try.
Good. Now, Mrs. Yofi, lie down. Lie down flat.
Like this,
Yes, like that. No below. Please stay flat. You have heavy breathing. Help me here, please. I need the emergency kit now.
the baby is not crying. We need to move fast.
Reading. What is the first step?
Check the timer. Start the clock now.
Timer started. It is 10 seconds.
Good. Now dry the baby. Use the one towel.
I'm trying to baby now. Still no breath.
I see fluid in the mouth. Suction now. Clear the nose too.
Suctioning the mouth. No, the nose. Down.
Okay. Dry baby again. Rub the back and the feet.
Come on, baby. Breathe. Look, it is moving.
Check the timer. How long?
It is 45 seconds. The baby is starting to eat.
Listen, the baby is crying. Good job.
He is being now. Heart rate is good.
Mrs. Look, your baby is crying. He is okay now. Thank you.
I am coming. I have baby.
Mrs. Yofi, breathe deep. I will massage your stomach.
It hurts midwife.
I know. It is to stop the blood. You are doing great. Stay awake.
Thank you.